Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining us. We had done a sketch of Bart Simpson in a different video. So today we are going to do a sketch of Bart Simpson in a non-cartoon version. So let's have the pencils going there. So you might have your own ideas here, but I'm just going to try to put something down that might work. Right, so I'm trying to just put in a similar shape to the head, but of course I know that if you're doing a non-cartoon version, it will not necessarily be the exact same thing. So I'm just going to first put in a t-shirt, not too much detail going there, and arm there, so some t-shirt folds. Okay, and from here on I'm going to choose first of all a more realistic shape. So let's try to keep him in that young stage. And what I can do is draw him a chin, a narrow chin. Now he has that huge upper lip, so let me first go about the same exercise and see if I can first get all these things in order, in the sense that I just need to put in the core. So I am going to give him that realistic nose. It's a little bit pointy at the same time, and let's go into the eyes. I didn't say that he was going to be a pretty boy or he's going to be not as good looking as his cartoon counterpart, but again, we might actually end up with something there. Streamline the nose a little better. Getting the eye smaller there. And then, of course, so going with hair that is all that shaven type of that shade going, like a crew cut. Alright, so put down a face for Homer Simpson here. That is one non-cartoon version. I could make it a little better in the sense that I can always crease the chin here and then give more character to the face. And of course it also depends on what age I'm trying to go with. So I've gone slightly past the childhood here, gone into kind of the teenage, and he has that, with that kind of do, it's more like a punk rocker feel. So there's one way in which we got something going in terms of doing a Homer Simpson in a non-cartoon version. Okay, so I'm sure that you can do your own different versions and nail something cool, but there's one version. So thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe, keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.